Hi guys, it's Lainey here from Lenz Party-Events. Please come and join me unboxing these different heights of iron flower arch that I bought from AliExpress. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. So here we go. Here we go guys, we've done it, it's all assembled now, but there were some issues that I found that some poles are not straight. Even I switching both sides and one of the arch is not straight as well. But when I put the flowers, I love it. I paid 114 Australian dollars from AliExpress. And I hope you like it too, and thank you for being here, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.